Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And we're going to do a little cooking today. Yeah, every now and then I do some cooking demos over here, and thank you for supporting our channel. This one, though, quick, incredibly easy. It'll probably be less than 2 minutes, but you're going to feel so good after you eat it. How about the ingredients? We're going to start off with a big old bag of organic spinach. I got this at Trader Joe's, $2.29. I've also got a bag of something that I've seen these in bulk. Now, I don't shop at Costco very often, but this one got my attention. Indian coconut squash dal. Says it has yellow split peas with squash and spices in a creamy coconut milk, and it's all organic. The only other thing we're going to need, some salt, some pepper, and down below I've got some olive oil that is heating up in my skillet here. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to add, first of all, our spinach. Oh my gosh, I know the camera just went in the way, didn't it? Now, with spinach, you're thinking, wow, that looks like an awful lot of spinach. And it is. The thing about spinach, though, is it reduces quickly. Trust me, this may look like a mound of spinach, but in time, that spinach is going to reduce way, way down. So we're going to cook it. We're going to get it down to just, well, I don't know how to describe it, but it's going to be delicious. So stick around and I'll show you how it looks here in just a minute or two. Okay, we're back. Now remember that giant mound of spinach that I had and I told you it was going to cook down? Well, take a look. We're going to take you skillet side, so to speak, and look at this. It's now looking beautiful. I did a little salt and pepper on it. You can see the spinach is now absorbing the olive oil. This is a light grade olive oil that I'm using, extra virgin I might say. And just look at that. That is just beautiful. I'm going to tell you, if you don't eat spinach, you're missing out on a treat. This in itself is absolutely terrific as a side dish if you wanted to. But again, we're making an all what we would call vegetarian meal today. But it is involving some of this good, healthy, organic spinach. And don't forget, we've got our Indian coconut squash dal that is all organic as well. Now, yeah, it's a prepared food, and you could do it on your own, but I checked the ingredients, absolutely nothing bad in that packet. So, our spinach is now ready. I mean, we could start eating this now, and it would taste absolutely delicious. Now, here's our package of Indian coconut squash dal. So, and again, I'm doing all this one-handed, but I'm going to add this. Look at that. There we go, and get it all out. Let it kind of drain out. And the package says this just needs to get good and hot. Now, if you were wondering about the ingredients, well, let's take a look and see what is in here. It's got water. It's got some organic coconut milk. It's got some yellow split peas. It's got some pumpkin squash. It's got some sunflower oil. It's got some tomato paste, salt, cumin, dried garlic, mustard, chili peppers, turmeric, all organic. Stuff can't be half bad. So now we're going to put this over in our dish here. We're going to let it get nice and hot with our spinach. Look at all the color we've got there. And what I love about this is we have healthy colors. So take a look. Now, what we're going to do is we'll let this heat up just for a few minutes, get it nice and hot, and then stick around. We'll come back, and you know what we're going to do? We're going to do a taste test. We'll plate it and let you know how good it is, because this is my first time having this. So I don't know. I think it's going to be good. Seems awful simple, doesn't it? Stick around. Hey, we're back. And as I was continuing to prepare our Indian squash in coconut milk with spinach dish, I remembered I had this in the freezer. It's some cauliflower rice. And I thought, why don't we add a little bit of that to add a little more texture to it? And again, we're keeping it very low carb, low calorie. And yeah, this is organic as well. So what do you say? We add a little bit of this, and it's got a few peas and carrots and peppers in it. We're not going to overdo it, but I think this may add just a little bit more texture to our dish, and we'll get that cooking in there really, really nice. Now, the other thing we could have done, of course, we could do some pita bread and a side of hummus. That would be good too. But again, we're going to keep this really light and healthy. So now we've got our cauliflower rice that's in there with it as well. Could probably add a little more, but I think this is going to be just right for what I'm hoping to do. And look at all the colors that we have in our dish now. It looks beautiful. Hey, and I know I was a little deceptive because a while ago I said, stick around, we're going to plate it and taste it. Well, stick around again. It'll give me just, I don't know, let's say another 2 minutes or so. In television time, YouTube time, though, it's going to be just in an instant. We'll be back and show it to you plated and try it out, okay? Stick around. Okay, we're back, and we do have it now plated and ready to eat. Look at that. And I've topped it with some red pepper flakes because I like a little extra kick to my dish. So what do you say we go down? Let's get a little bite of this. I have not tried it yet. You can see the plate is nice and full. How are we going to do that? I don't want to be too messy. Oh gosh, that's a lot of spinach, isn't it? Let's try again. You're thinking, God, would he just get it on the frickin' fork? Okay, now, here we go. Let's see how good it is. And pardon me for hearing me eat. Could you tell by the immediate smile? It's delicious. The flavors came together beautifully. The spinach, the curry, the turmeric, the squash, the cauliflower rice. This is an excellent, excellent dish. Nice and hearty, low calories, virtually very low in fat. If you're on one of those keto things, it's good for that as well. So hope you enjoyed that. It was a quick and easy dish. Keep subscribing to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. And if you need it, check out my podcast, The Jack Church Show. Stick around for the credits, of course. Got that little tribute to Pam after you see my name about 50 times, okay? Bye now from the kitchen. And as we always say, make it a great day and a better tomorrow.